All right, we're recording. We're doing Great Britain, turn 7. The world is at war. Almost, not the US. I'm going to do tech for UK. I'm going to go for radar and LRA. See how these guys go. 5 and a 7. Radar is going to hit. And then for our purchases, we've got the call to arms bonus for the UK. So -1 for our colonial infantry. So we're going to get 4 of those. And then 1 British infantry for 15 total. I'm going to save 2. Anzac's getting 1 infantry, save 1. And then surprise, KMT medium bomber for 11 for FAC. We could have figured out how to make the figurine yellow, so it's going to be a luscious green. Combat moves. We're going to do a strategic bombing run against a railroad with a medium bomber from Southern England. It's going to go 1, 2, 3. He's going to hit these bombs right here. He's going to bomb this railroad. If there was,
Paris, Alsace, Lorraine.
I believe you needed a unit in there to scramble to intercept.
With strategic bombing, I'm not sure.
What?
Go. I know about a land battle.
All right,
yes.
The access are looking him up. I'll keep doing other combat moves. There's a lot of discussion with the British Navy and the admirals if we're going to go in attack the German Navy. They are seeking refuge in the currently neutral Italian Navy, quite substantial. It's plussed up with a battleship. The British admirals cry for blood. We will give them blood. We are going in for the assault. We're going to move in.
Boy.
Every single ship the British Navy can muster. There is a question if the light carriers are going in, so we'll save those for a second. Oops. In addition, we have looked up that the seaplanes can be taken as casualties, so we're bringing in 2 seaplanes into the battle. Technically, they can attack the transport, but we could probably roll in case we lose the battle. We could still probably kill the transport. It doesn't mean much, but it's a little something. They're mostly for the air supremacy if the Italians scramble. We don't know yet if the Italians are going to declare war, so it's a surprise.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. What?
So what it looks like, I found that since railroads are considered facilities, I can. But if you want to still bomb this, I don't see why you can't fly into Paris and then choose the border. That way I can't scramble.
Oh,
I'm not sure.
Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just bomb it there. Technically, if the Italians declare war, you can use their railroad. Well, I don't know about that. I'll have to think about it. Like, so Vichy is a minor nation. Can they use that railroad to transport troops if Germans can use it?
I think they can, since they are controlled, and they will grant them permission to use their railroads.
Yeah, that's a good point. Well, does it even matter to bomb it? I'm going to bomb it out of spite. I can't even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're bombing it. We're bombing it out of spite. That's going to be, I think, a freebie since there's no fighters in range. But that's not too important right now. The more important stuff's this naval combat. These 2 destroyers in A44 are going off escort duty to support the massive assault of the German Navy, and then this destroyer off of M8 is going to go into the attack too. 1, 2, 3. Let's Let's see. Can this destroyer make it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nope, it can't. That's it. We're gonna move in. This British battleship, this TV destroyer, to attack this coastal sub. It's a coastal defense ship. I don't know if I forget if escort duty is a combat move.
That's a non-combat.
It's a non-combat move. All right, we're gonna give it some flexibility. The fighters in the seaplanes, transport planes staying there. Okay, that's all good. Can't touch these submarines. They're gonna have free reign for a little bit. It's okay. All right, so we have this coastal ship being attacked, this huge navy being attacked. It's just a small annoyance, railroad bombing here. Fighters. You know, to be honest with you, that could be an interesting battle. 2 scrambled fighters against subs there. It's such a toss-up. I think it could be. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're not gonna. I was thinking about moving 2 fighters in to attack these subs with my, not to attack, but escort the seaplane. And then it'd be a 2v2 versus the fighters, but I have more to lose right now. I can't replace those as easily, so I'm not going to do that. And then no other combat in any other realms of the board, so we are going to end our combat move. So, are the Italians going to declare war?
The Italians will be declaring war.
Where's a horn noise? I need a horn noise. I don't have one.
Oh.
All right, it's game time. Italians are at war.
About the medium bomber.
Yes, sir.
Technically, you'll still have to roll. I don't know how, because these can take 2 damage. So if you get a 1.
Oh, so a 6-sided dice, you mean? For
yeah. It's all about repairing. Let me see if I was reading that right.
I think
normal terrain is 2. Oh no, you're right. It's a freebie. It's max 1. I was reading it correctly. I was looking at the cost. So yeah, that's a freebie. Sorry.
All good. Let's put a damage rail there. All right, so now the Italians are at war. So it's gonna be a big old battle. We're going in round 7. Game-changing battle right here. So, the Italians want to scramble their 2 fighters.
We do.
Okay. And then, oh, look at that. You know, technically, I think you can scramble a seaplane from the seaplane hangar. You can use that as a casualty.
Yes, I believe I will do that.
All right. If you win this battle with 1 casualty, then I'm going to be mad at myself for pointing that out. All right, let's move all this stuff to the battle board.
Oops, I took more than what I needed.
I forgot to bring in these 2 light carriers. I think I had a. I'm gonna keep them away. They're not really gonna do much except take casualties. All right. So I need to organize all this. We did not know this battle was going to happen before, so couldn't set it up nice and easy like Michael likes to do.
Seaplane on defense 3.
Michael, you gotta tell me how to split the video so I can like cut out boring stuff.
Oh, yeah,
I don't have enough viewers yet where I care. So Bird, you just have to fast forward this. if I get like 100, like the big global war streamers, maybe.
Yeah.
Uh,
Heavy cruiser. Fighter. Is this a TVD? Yeah.
honestly, I think this is pretty even. Naval battle. So
I think you have a slight edge.
I have an edge, but it's not like it could go south. This could definitely go south. Why are these dice so big? These dice look huge. Whatever.
All right, I better get my dice.
And the Italians have a nice follow-up with their subs. Although, yeah, the subs would be really handy in this huge battle for casualties. But shoulda, woulda, coulda. This British battleship would have been nice if I thought about this huge battle a little better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess I should roll for the seaplanes because they could get a hit on the transport technically. How's it looking on your side?
In terms of power, or am I ready?
Let's go power. Who's going to win this? What's your thoughts?
I think the British are going to win.
Okay.
All right. It's more of a how many ships survive, I believe.
Okay. All right. Let's play it out.
Like I said, a slight edge to the British.
Air superiority. I got 1 fighter. It's a 5.
I got 2. And 1 hit there.
Okay. I'm going to take one of my seaplanes.
Guess I'll do the same since you were nice to point that out.
Yeah. And I'm just going to roll the seaplanes out of the way because, yeah, they're misses. That was for a transport. All right, so now for the serious stuff. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 destroyers at 4s. One, 2, 3 hits. We've got 3 light cruisers at 5. Target selects on aircraft at 3 or lower. 1 target select at a 2 against an aircraft. I believe I can. Oh, it doesn't matter. There's 2 Italian fighters, so I'll take 1.
These guys rolled already, so I'm just going to delete him.
Copy. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heavy cruisers at 6 or less. That's a 3. That's a 5. That's a 5. So 3 hits. We have a tactical bomber in teal, battle cruiser in red, both at 7s. 1 hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 battleships at 8. 1 hit.
1 hit. All right, my turn. So 3 TBDs at a 2. No hits. Seaplane at a 3. Which actually, you don't have any transports, so it don't matter.
Got nothing.
So he's got, I don't know why he brought a dice out. 5 destroyers. 1, 2 hits. All right, light cruiser. Target select against aircraft. He missed. 2 heavy cruisers. I'm not doing well. 7 and 3 8s. 1, 2 hits. Oh, darn. Hope you saw that. Yeah, 2 hits on the battleships. So
4 hits total?
I believe so. That was pretty disappointing. So you got 8. So
Seaplane. All right, so 2 damaged battleships, a seaplane, and a Anzac cruiser are casualties.
1, 2, 3. I believe I took one for the seaplane already. So 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 for the TBDs, and then we'll take the German destroyer. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go.
Round 2. These dice are freaking huge. All right.
You want to back my stuff up?
That's
here.
all right. It's all right. It's all right. I think Bird spawned these in, which is very helpful. But damn, are they huge? I probably fix that, but we'll do it later. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fours. Three hits. We've got.
Dang, you're rolling well.
I know. Roll well where it counts. Better lucky than good. 1 target select. Another hit, so that's 2 hits with the 5s. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sixes. I'm sorry, 8 sixes with the fighter. It's hidden underneath the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4 hits. And then we have 2 sevens, 1 target select with the tactical bomber. 1 hit. 10 hits. That's brutal.
Dang.
That's brutal.
I think this one was your die. I'm going to roll this stuff over here. 5, 7.
Do you have anything left, by the way?
Probably not.
Okay.
Let's see. So, all right. Got 4 destroyers. Roll well, gents, please. Make them hurt. 2 hits there. Light cruiser is miss. I got 2 heavies, a fighter, 3 battleship damaged. Oh, that was a 3 over there. That's tragic. Oh boy. 1 hit there. So 1, 2, 3 hits. Ouch.
All right. We're going to take 3 destroyers.
What you got? 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 was the target select. 9 and 10. So I got a battleship damaged and a battlecruiser left.
Okay.
I have some horrid rolling.
Doesn't feel good. I've been there.
No.
Let's see. We're going to just roll the 2 sevens first. Two hits.
No hits, probably.
All right.
Jeez. Well, there goes my Navy for both countries.
It's efficient, at least. You know, it's just knock it out in one turn.
Yeah. Gosh, you have a lot more than I hoped you would have left.
The kids will call this a
Dang,
thick fleet. Make sure those battleships are damaged.
Let me grab some. Is there a... Oh, here we go.
Why did I keep these light cruisers out? Interesting. So, thank you. We have another battle right here. We have a British battleship in a TV destroyer versus all that stuff. So let's do Battleship Black, TV Destroyer Red. One
That's
hit.
it. One hit.
We're going to damage the battleship. Oops.
Here, I got you.
Thank you, thank you. And then that's all combat. We're going to shift to non-combat. I think. I wasn't expecting. Oh. Excuse me. Just inviting a guest in. Wait, can't get distracted. I'm recording. Gotta get this through. Okay. So let's go. Hello, Fecking Wrecked. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I forget your first name.
This one of your 10 viewers.
Yeah, about to be. You think I have 10 viewers, man? I'm like at 4. Call out to the veteran if he's watching. All right, so let's go. I'm thinking about where to land these British aircraft. Because I kept these guys out. I can move them. You know, I'm gonna move these guys. So 2 light carriers to here. These planes are gonna go. They have 3 movement left. 1, 2, 3. I guess that's a question. Can I move into a sea zone that I fought a war?
Yes, because this is yours, non-combat.
Just to annoy all the ADHD people, I'm gonna switch the color of these guys. Did I have? Oh, I lost my seaplanes, and then non-combat. Since we're at war with the Italians, the Italians don't have transports. They have 1 airborne that can land, but I'm not worried about losing some stuff here. There's a tactical bomber left. So leave that there. Leave this guy. These 3 guys are gonna chill. Change of plans. I'm just gonna move this guy back. This guy back. I'm gonna rail this guy out. I haven't thought this far ahead. Okay, we're gonna rail this guy back. We don't want to give any targets yet to move this guy up to here. British destroyer is gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay on escort duty over here. This British destroyer is going to go 1, 2. Stay on escort duty over here. Juicy targets for the subs. I'm going to have to work on the subs. And then this coastal defense ship is going to go on escort duty. I don't know. I don't really want this. I forgot. Oh, hey, Access player, since you're here, can I raid your stuff?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
This is the benefit of having your opponent on here. Yeah, Germans think they can just walk all over.
Oh, that's definitely not what's happening.
All right, let's do. We'll do attacker in black, defender in red.
Oh, that's tragic.
Max damage is 2. Would you mind hitting your income by 2?
Yeah. Take care.
This medium bomber back. This fighter to here. One of these transports is going to pick up 2 guys. 1, 2. They go 1, 2, 3. Land and port. And these transports are going to go 1, 2, 3. Land and port here. British Marines out here. Infantry's out here. Move militia to there. Coastal defense. I'm going to leave that there because. Ooh. That could be a juicy battle for the Germans. I'm actually gonna put this in port. I don't want to give Germans counterplay against this stuff right here. Okay, I could do that stuff later. Sorry, viewers. Sorry for viewers. Let's go French destroyer. There. Oh, sorry, it's not the French's turn. Apologies. French is up next. Just gonna switch FEC real fast. No changes in FEC. No changes in ANZAC. We're placing units. We're gonna place our infantry. 1 regular infantry in Lower Egypt on the factory. 1 infantry here. 1 infantry there. 1 infantry there. Oh shoot. That's why I wanted to place this guy here. All right, now focus. It's okay if you make mistakes. 1, 2, 3.
This is just Michael.
Pop that bad boy there. Can you message our dude? Tell him I said hi, and then the chat. Tell him I'm recording, so I can't talk to him right now. Place units for Anzac. I'm trying not to be rude. I gotta focus on this. KMT medium bomber. It's gonna get Lend-Lease through the. Oh, that's a good question. Burma Road. Is there an IPP limit on transporting? I might not be able to get this KMT bomber over.
I think you can, because I've seen Americans Lend-Lease a strategic bomber before. It doesn't say, it just says same condition and rules apply or supply path.
Okay, I'm curious. Maybe if Bird has anything to say on that, because I guess now that I think about it, do they just carry a whole medium bomber up to the frickin' Himalaya mountains? I guess it's not realistic, but we'll see.
They just assemble it here.
Yeah, that is very camouflage. I'm gonna try to put that right there. All right. I'll ask Bird what he thinks. We're gonna collect income. British at wartime income. They're at 26. They have bonuses. 5 bonus, so that's 31 plus leftover 2 is 33. Anzac is at wartime income 7. They have no bonuses. They saved 1. They're at 8. FEC have 1 bonus for controlling Egypt for +2. Their wartime income is 14. They have 16. That's going to do it. On to Free France. Free France collects 2. They don't really have any units. Does this medium bomber want to stay? This medium bomber wants to go off of air patrol. Free France is declaring war on the Germans and the Italians.
They just do whatever England does.
Oh, okay. All right. So they're already at war. Medium bomber is going to go off map, land here. French destroyer moves to here. French destroyer stays there. And Free France ain't got nothing. They get 2. They get +2. They already did that. Free France is done. Recording's over. On to the Italians. Thank you.